This is DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo, and today I'll show how you can perform a camera gimbal calibration or how you can manually adjust the gimbal position on this drone. So to start, you will need to launch drone settings and select the control category. Now scroll down just a little bit, look for the gimbal calibration and enter this section here. Now make sure that the aircraft is placed on a level surface, and here you can either perform an automatic calibration, which will simply do that for you automatically without any direct or manual input from you. Just let this process elapse, or let this process be pretty much. And as you can see, the calibration is successful. Or if you would like to manually adjust its position, you can once again go into gimbal calibration, select manual, and move it, calibrate its position by adding or extracting the horizontal decimals here. As you can see, it doesn't make a lot of difference, but well, the calibration is pretty subtle. It's pretty unconsequential, but still that's the option that you have. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.